In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create columns inside a toggle block in Notion. This is a great way to organize text, images, checklists, and other content while keeping your page clean. Let's get started. Create a toggle by typing toggle and selecting toggle list. Enter a title for the toggle, then expand it. Inside the toggle, add the blocks you want, such as text, images, checklists, or callouts. To create columns, click and hold the 6-dot handle on a block, then drag it to the right or left of another block until you see a vertical blue guide. Release the block to place it beside the other block, creating columns inside the toggle. Continue dragging additional blocks to adjust the layout. You can resize the columns by dragging the divider between them to fit your content. Using columns inside toggle blocks helps you build cleaner dashboards, organize information more efficiently, and keep long pages easy to navigate. That's how to create columns inside toggle blocks in Notion. Thanks for watching.